All right, guys, so I do just want to go over the first BuzzMath problem with you. There are 10 problems, so that means you only have 9 more to do. All right, so this says a rotation, blah, 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 the positive. Okay, here are the rules. Rotation of 90 degrees are 90 degrees. Rotation of 90 degrees is XY. These are the rules that were just on the slideshow. So, draw the shape created by a 90-degree rotation centered around the origin. So they're looking for a 90-degree rotation. So the first thing that you should do is write the rule on a piece of paper or on a document. If you want to do it this way, I'm going to write it on a document. So they're looking for a 90-degree rotation. So I'm looking right up here at the rules, and I'm writing what the rule is for a 90-degree rotation. So I go from XY, and I become negative y x. All right, now I can go away from the rules and I can go down to my shape down here. All right, so take a look at this shape. I'm going to say this is x, y, z. It's just easier for me to give them specific points. So I have x, y, z. So the first thing I want to do is write my original points. So x right now is at negative 8, 7. Negative 8, 7. And then I'm going to draw my arrow, and I'll come back to it. Y is up here, and that's at negative 5, 8. Negative 5, 8. So you can do this, like I said, in a document, or you can do this on paper. It doesn't matter. I don't know why that became 2 different arrows, but whatever. And then Z is at negative 6, 6. Negative 6, 6. Oh, I made another. All right, so let's see what my new coordinates would be. So right now I have xy, negative 7, negative 8, 7. It's going to turn into the negative version of y, then x. So my new x value is going to be whatever my y value was, but negated. So before it was 7, the negative version of that is negative 7. And then I place my x value here in the y place. So whatever my x was becomes my new y value. My x was negative 8. Now that's my y value. Done. Let's do the next one. Negative 5, 8. So xy becomes negative yx. xy. So first of all, I know I'm switching the two numbers. So that's what I'm going to start with. So I'm going to do 8, negative 5. But which one of those was negated? The first one. So it wasn't positive. I'm going to make it a negative. Done. And the last one, negative 6, 6. I know I switched them, so it's going to become 6, negative 6. And then I'm going to look up here and say, okay, the first one should be a negative version of it. There you go, negative. All right. Now I'm going to use those, and I'm going to graph them. So negative 7, negative 8, negative. I'm going to click and drag one of these points. Negative 7, negative 8. That's my first one. Negative 8, negative 5. Negative 8, negative 5. And negative 6, negative 6, negative 6, negative 6. Does it look like the same shape? Yeah. Does it look like it was rotated 90 degrees? Probably. Let's see. Nice. All right, next page, 180 degree rotation. So notice that the rules aren't there anymore. You need to go back to the slideshow for the rules. 180 degrees is the easy one, so hopefully you guys do well on it. Just write the rule down and then follow the steps. Shouldn't be complicated. You guys can do this. All right, keep these things in mind. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to us at any point. We are here for you. Just let us know what you need. All right, good luck. You got this.